Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to scrap eBay products and export them as a CSV. So you can use that CSV in WooCommerce or Amazon or Shopify or even another eBay account. So currently I have a list of products, let's say handheld game consoles. So this is the list I want to export as a CSV, and later on I'll import it in WooCommerce, but you can use this for any purpose like for research purpose or to upload to any other platform. So once we have this URL loaded, the search loaded, let's go to a new tab and type scrap any website data.com. Okay, on this page scroll down and click on eBay, where you can see get data into organized CSV format. Click on eBay and here download the Chrome extension to see the search fields. Click on add to Chrome. Once the extension is added and activated, refresh the scrapper page and you will be able to see these two fields. So just go to eBay and copy that URL where we search for the products and add that URL here and click on get product list from listing page, and it will take a couple of seconds and then it will grab all the single product URLs into this field. We found 60 unique product URLs which are listed here. Now just start scrap and wait for it. It will start scrolling all these pages one by one and it will temporarily list it on this scrapper page one by one like this. And once all these products are listed here, you can just click on generate CSV and all these products will be exported as a CSV. So let's wait for a few seconds to load some more products, and then I'll stop this process in the middle and then I'll show you how you can get the CSV and which fields you will be able to see. Okay, now that's enough products for me. Let me close the scrapper tab and then go here and click on generate CSV. It will take few seconds and then you will see this get CSV button. Click on get CSV and save the file anywhere on your desktop. So I am saving it in downloads folder. Save it. Now let's open the file. Here we have the SKU, we have the title, we have short description, we have the image URL, the description, prices, original URL which is from eBay, and the tag which is custom built in actual, but you can change it. So this is how you can scrap the products from eBay into a CSV using a few simple steps, and this is all free. I hope you learned something from today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and you will not miss my future videos. Thank you.